everyone, welcome to my channel CS Tech Zone. Wish you all are doing good and physically fit. So today I will show you that how does YouTube TV works. Okay, so let's go and see how does YouTube TV works. Okay, so at first I will just open a okay. So now I will just type here YouTube TV. Okay, so now you can see a many Google result here. Okay, so let's read here. Okay, YouTube TV is a streaming television service that offers live TV on demand video and cloud-based DVR from more than 85 television networks, including the big three broadcast networks, then Fox Network and PBS in most markets. It is owned by YouTube, a subsidiary of Google, and is only available in the United States. Okay. Then owner is YouTube Google. Then founded on February 28, 2017. Okay. Okay. Then let's see about the cancellation. Okay. How to cancel your membership? Open the app on your Android device or go to tv.youtube.com on a web browser. Okay. Select your profile photo. Go to setting membership. Then click just cancel membership. Okay. Then launch. Okay, YouTube TV launched on February 28 2017 and is the presenting partner of the World Series and the NBA Finals. As of January 2021, YouTube TV has over 3 million subscribers. Okay, what is the monthly cost? Okay, the monthly monthly okay, so the monthly cost of YouTube TV is just $65 per month. Okay, let's now go to the website of YouTube TV. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, so let's see the channels. Okay, let's click here. Okay, so now just we can see that there is many channels as like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, ABC News, MC, then Adult Swim, then Animal Planet, BBC America, BBC World News, Bet Her, BTN, Bravo, CB Sports, CNBC, CNN. Then the most popular for my children, uh, uh, and just that is Cartoon Network, then Shudder, CMT, then CC. Okay, then now okay, then Comedy TV, then Comet TV, Court TV, Cozy TV, Double, Discovery, Disney. Then there is Disney Junior, Disney XD, then Dokurama, Duff Channel, Then there's also ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, then ESP News, Fight Network, Fox Business, Fox News Channel, Fox Soul, Fox Weather, FS1, FS2, FX, FXM, FXX, Food Network, Freeform, G4, Galavision, Get TV, Ghost Channel, GSN, Hallmark Channel, Hallmark Drama, Hallmark Movies and Mysteries, HGTV, HLN, IFC, Impact Wrestling, ID, Justice Central TV, LAFC, Law and Crime, Live Now from Fox, MLB Game of the Week, MLB Network, MSNBC, Motor Train, MTV, MTV2, MTV Classic, My Network TV, NBA TV. Then also there is NBC News Now, NBC Universo, NBC SN, NBC LX, Net Geo Wild. Then there is also National Geographic, News Nation, Elephant Network, Nickelodeon, then Nick Jr., Nicktoons, Olympic Channel, OWN, Oxygen, Paramount Network Channel. Then there is also PBS, then PBS Kids, Pop, QVC, Recipe.tv, ACC Network, SNY, Smithsonian Channel, Star TV, Sundance TV, then Sci-Fi, TBS, TCM, TLC. Then there is also TNT, TYT, TestMate, then Technic, then Telemundo, the CW, the Great Courses, the Weather Channel, Travel Channel, True TV. Then there is also a TV Land, then USA, Unimax, then Universal Kids, Univision, VS1, WeTV, and Originals YouTube. Okay, okay. Then now there is add-on networks. Okay, add-on networks are Echo, all BLK, then AMC Plus, Cinemax, Comedy Dynamics, Con TV, then Curiosity Stream, then Dokurama, Dove, Epix, Fandor, Fox Nation, Hallmarks, Movies Now, HBO, HBO Max, IFC Films Unlimited, Law and Crime, MLB, .TV, NBA League Pass, Outside TV features, then Pantaya, then Screenpix, Screenbox, Showtime, Shudder, Stars, then Sundays Now, IUP, Faith and Family, and many more. Okay, so there is also some sports plus add-on also available on YouTube too, as like Benny Sports, Billiard TV, Fox, Soccer Plus, Gold TV, Map TV, NFL Red Zone, Outside TV, Players TV, then Poker Go Plus, Sports Grid, then Stadium, then TVG, then VSIN. Okay, so these are the channels that are available on YouTube TV. Okay, let's go now. Okay, then okay. So the subscription of YouTube TV is just $64.99. Okay, so 80 85 plus channels. Okay, no annual contract. Then it includes NFL, NBA, and MLB networks. Includes PBS, Bet, Comedy Central, MTV, and Nickelodeon. Okay, then it includes unlimited cloud DB storage space and rewind, fast forward, and pause capability, which is very good. Okay, then 3 streams and 6 accounts per household. Okay, so that is also a good. Okay, then add-ons we have already seen. Okay, so get started with YouTube TV in minutes. Keep your internet and supported device. Start your free YouTube TV trial, uh, and the most good thing is that you can just cancel anytime you want. Okay, okay. Then here is TV made for you. Okay, so and the most good thing of YouTube TV is that you can just record with unlimited storage space in YouTube TV. Okay, okay. Devices with Google TV offer an enhanced experience. Your entertainment all in one place. Okay, get personal recommendation from YouTube TV and your streaming services all in just one place. Browse through the channels in the dedicated live tab. Navigate with a remote that has a um, uh, 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 that has a programmable button for YouTube TV. Okay, okay. Minus the things you don't want. No waiting your turn. 6 individuals per household and 3. Okay, was without needing an apartment and equipment rentals. Okay, okay. So YouTube TV is available nationwide in over 99.5% of households in the US. Okay, and you just need to enter your 5-digit zip code in the above channels section for a full list of your areas uh, areas channel lineup. Okay, okay. So now what? So okay, so to just sign up for YouTube TV, you just need to click here, and now just YouTube TV is okay. So now YouTube TV has an offer of $14.99 for the first month. Okay, then just it will cost for $64.99 per month, and it is only for the new users. Okay, okay. So that's all. Thanks for watching. So I think the video has helped you a lot. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, and I think this video has helped you a lot. So please like the video, and also please do subscribe my channel for my next video. Okay, so bye bye.